Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Fashion Trends. Nail art has become a popular form of self-expression, allowing individuals to showcase their creativity and personal style for subtle nature designs to bold statement making art. Nail designs has evolved into a vibrant and diverse art form. Nail art has a rich history dating back to ancient civilization where nails colors and designs signified social status and cultural identity. Today, nail art is a global phenomenon with countless designs, techniques, and trends emerging every season. Nail art designs can be broadly categorized into several types, including geometric patterns featuring shapes, stripes, chevrons. Geometric patterns add a touch of modernity to any nail design. Floral designs, delicate flowers, and greenery evoke a sense of elegance and sophistication. Abstract art, unique one of a kind designs that showcase creativity and individuality. Nail art offers several benefits, including self expressions. Nail art allows individuals to express their personality and style. Creativity. Nail art encourages creativity and experimentation. Confidence boost. A well designed nail art can be boost confidence and make a lasting impression. So viewers, if you like this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, family members, and social media apps. Here are some stunning nail art designs to elevate your style. Trending nail art designs, abstract nail art, unique designs that push the boundaries of creativity, often featuring geometric patterns and bold colors. Geometric nail art, modern aesthetic with triangles, lines, and squares, perfect for casual and formal events. 3D nail art, intricate designs with a sculptured nail, embedded flowers, or other creative elements. Nail stamping, time saving techniques with endless creativity, perfect for intricate designs. Seasonal and occasional nail art, summer nails, bright colors, beach inspired designs, and tropical patterns. Valentine Days nails, heart shaped designs, pink and red hues, and romantic patterns. Christmas nails, candy cane stripes, snowflakes and festive colors, nail art techniques. Blooming gel nail art creates beautiful, soft designs with a blooming effect. Chrome nail art, reflective multi-dimensional shine with chrome powders or crystals. Line work, simple yet stunning designs using lines, perfect for minimalist styles. Nail art designs, abstract nail art, use bold colors and geometric patterns to create a unique designs, perfect for those who want to make a statement with their nail art. Flower nail art, delicate to feminine flower nail art is perfect for spring and summer. Use a small brush to paint intricate detail. 3D nail art, add some dimensions to your nails with 3D nail art. Use nail glue and decorations like rhinestones or beads. Ombre nail art, gradual color transitions from dark to light. Use a sponge or a special ombre brush to achieve the effect. Geometric nail art, use a tape or stickers to create sharp lines and patterns. Perfect for those who love a minimalist look. Nail stamping, use a nail stamping plates and polish to create intricate designs. Easy to do at home with the right tools. Pastel nail art, soft and delicate pastel colors are perfect for spring. Use a light touch to create subtle designs. Aura nail art, use a special technique to create a multicolored aura effect, perfect for those who want to make unique and eye-catching designs. New nail art designs, stay up to date with the latest nail art trends. Try out new designs and technique to keep your nail looking fresh. Easy nail designs for beginners, simple and easy to create designs, perfect for beginners. Use nail polish and basic nail art tools to get started. So viewers, if you like this video, please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, family members and social media apps.